How to change profile picture on Signal. Are you guys facing issue to change your profile picture on Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To change your profile picture on Signal, open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now click on your profile icon at the top. As soon as you click on it, this will take you to the account settings. Tap on your current profile photo or camera icon beside your name. A menu will appear. Choose Take Photo or click on New One. Choose from the gallery to pick one from your phone. Select the photo you want, crop or adjust if it needed, and tap Save or Done. Your new profile picture is now updated and you will be visible to your contacts depending on your privacy settings. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to change your profile picture on Signal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.